Hey you guys, it is Adam and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see in the title, it's a story time about how I got scammed from like a very popular brand. Like I thought it was popular, but then somebody asked me where is your outfit from, and I said them, and they didn't really know the brand, but I thought like most people do know the brand. So I got scammed from that brand, and luckily for me, that scam turned out on my favor because I really liked what I got. Going on, starting from the start, I'm going to tell you what happened. On September 8th, we have the Neri Berry feast, and it is the only feast that we have during the daytime. And the vibe for that day is like blue, white. It's just Mama Mary's color. And I thought, you know what, let me not wear kurtis because I buy something only for the feast. I'm not wearing it. So I've decided anymore I'm not wearing any traditional fits because I don't really like use them, so there's no point. Let me just wear a frock like a cottage core dress which is mid-length, and it's gonna go look cute, and also it's for the morning function, morning feast, so it's not gonna like look too dramatic and shit. So I ordered that, and I didn't have like a color, but I just wanted a mid-length full length skirt, and I searched it on Google and I got like many other options. And the option that caught my eye was from this particular brand. The dress was for 999 and it was from Little Box. Okay, now I did not, okay, one mistake is I did not read the description because I thought there would not be any slit on the dress. So I just liked the dress. I gave order and I was like, okay, I'm going to do cash on delivery. That costed me extra, and then the total was 1098 within 3 days. That is maybe 10 days before the feast. I got my dress delivered and I opened it. I was super excited, and then I saw it was a little different from the picture. I'm going to put the picture and the dress like there. You can see like even the material looks very different in both the pictures. That was one thing I did not like. It was the hanging thing. It was cute and all. Also the slit. I did not like the slit because I wanted it to be a full length gown. So I was like, there are other few dresses too, but they were in pink and browns. So maybe I'll go for it because I don't want a slit in my dress. So I went and I tried to return my order, and there was no order history from my number. Like, you are delivering me the product, for that you need my number, because how else are you going to deliver? How else do you know your customers address or phone number? For that you have my number. But when I'm inserting my own number in your website and seeing my order histories to cancel or to return a product, there is no no history. It is like you have zero orders till now. Like, then who the hell ordered the outfit other day, and who would like I did not go to some other website. It is from your website I got it. Even on the cloth there is your logo. I have ordered something, it is delivered to my address. So how can there be no order history was my main concern. Like, I tried everything. I thought, okay, maybe number was wrong. I put my Google mail. I have the mail on Google. I have the OTP to log in when I ordered the dress. I had the OTP when the dress order got confirmed. All that I have, but in the app there is no order history. Okay, so I was like, okay, let me raise a complaint because I have to do something. If I'm going to keep it for later on, I'm going to take time every time. Then last moment I'll wake up and I'll have nothing to wear and I'll just panic. So I was like, I tried everything. Okay, I went to their raise a raise a what is it? Raise a ticket column, and I saw that and I was like, okay, okay, I can do something here. Everything I filled in, there was order number. So now order number what? I know my order number because I have got message from the app, from the company, from Little Box, that your order number is this, it's going to deliver on this date. And from the delivery partner also I got like your Little Box order number, this is going to be delivered today. So I copied the order number. I was like, okay, some hope I can do something. And when I'm trying to paste there is no option to put an order number. You can put the order number only if you've ordered, then those order numbers are going to be shown, and from that you can select. Now if there is no order history, how can I like choose a order number? I have to insert it manually because my order history is not there. So even that I couldn't do. I couldn't put the order history, order number. I was like, okay, fine. Then what did I do? I remember these people came to Shark Tank and also I was like, I'm gonna go and not go to Shark Tank. I'm gonna go and complain on WhatsApp because they had like find our Instagram handles are Snapchat, Instagram. I went to WhatsApp. These people have deleted their WhatsApp channel. I went to Instagram. You cannot send them a message on Instagram. And however, I did try to send two, three messages didn't get delivered. The last message I sent was like nobody, obviously Instagram, nobody opens the message. I myself don't open known people's messages. Why will a brand like, they don't give that much importance to normal people, like normal consumers. So they did not bother checking. I went to the Snapchat. I was like, at least on Snapchat something is gonna happen. No. On Snapchat also they have no channel. They deleted the channel recently was what was shown as the update. So now tell me, if the dress was not my size, I could have altered it. Okay. If there was a damage, then who is going to take the responsibility of the dress and of my money? I am paying you, I'm getting something. You have the option. It's not even like there was no cancel option. There was like, if you don't like the dress, you can return, you can return within 3 4 days. So when they are giving all these, how are you not taking responsibility or credibility for something that goes wrong with your consumer? Is my question. I literally did not want this slit on my dress, but anyways, most of the people like my fit, so I'm just gonna do one thing. I'm gonna stitch the slit and make it like cute cottagecore frock. I like the dress, but if I did not, then what would I do? Forget about that. If I ordered, me being me, if I ordered it 2 days before the feast and I opened it on the feast day, and then what would I do? Like here I had like plan, like okay, if this doesn't work, I'll do this, this, that. I had days to think. But then if that day I have to go to the mass now, and morning I'm opening my parcel and seeing this is the halat, what would I do? Is my question. It's not like a big deal, but being a brand and promoting your brand on like a national television, you'll have to like have little responsibility because this is not how it works. It is so wrong. And for the matter of fact, they don't even have like a company number to call on. They have nothing where you can raise a request. And this was sus because the day I ordered it, no, I found something else on Savannah. So I was like, I'm gonna cancel this order. And the day I ordered, within 2 minutes, I tried canceling. It showed the same thing. You have no orders. This number has not ordered anything. I have only one SIM in my phone. So if I place the order, I've placed with only one SIM. So how are you telling me that I do not have an order history? That was like within 5 minutes of ordering. So I was like, okay, you know, maybe there's a glitch. After it comes, I can return it. But no, that did not happen. And here, you can't even tell the courier people to return it because you have to raise a return request for that from the app you've ordered. Just like that, you can't tell the return people, I don't want this, take it. No, it doesn't work like that. So that happened. However, the dress did look good on me. It was not exactly what I wanted, but I did work with that. I got some really pretty pictures. Most people like the outfit, but still, it's so wrong when this happens because day after tomorrow it can be that this is not a big thing. Again, it's not like a big issue, but you are coming on a national television, you'll be like, oh, our brand this, our brand that. When your consumer has a problem, where do your consumer go? Because you do not have a place where you can solve the problem. There is no praise or receipt, nothing. Like all I couldn't do anything. Like I'm like, what just happened? Like how did my order get through then? How did I get deliver my product on the number that I ordered from if I've had zero order histories? So that happened, and this was not a big amount. Like it is a big amount, obviously, but not that big. Imagine you're ordering things worth 8K. Some products are 2 and some products are not fitting you. Then how are you going to deliver it if this continues? Like, where are you going to go and mail? No response. Mail ID only they don't have. So this is what I was talking about, and this is what happened. So I just wanted to put it out there that next time, because many people ask me where did you get it from. So like I'm telling this now only, be very careful when you're ordering from this website, because even after ordering, I saw reviews on YouTube about this brand and people had lot of things to say. So if you're gonna order, think and order, because I don't know if they are going to even solve their problem, or if you're gonna get a compensation if you did not like the products or whatever. I do not know what will happen, but if you're gonna order, just be very careful. That is all I'm gonna say. And I just woke up from a nap. That is why I look all dead. I'm in my sleep coma right now. I have to go out, not like out. I have to go for a dance practice in 10 minutes. I'm going to be picked, and I I'm still sleepy. I'm not yet out of my sleep, but I had to record this video. So yeah. And also one more thing, I don't know why my subscribers are decreasing. Like it decreased by two. Please don't I mean, okay, if you don't like it, unsubscribe. But please make sure you subscribe my channel, because most of the people watch my videos don't subscribe. I can give a proof right somewhere here. So do subscribe, support, and I'm being super consistent from the last month. I'm hoping to do that. So if you guys like watching, only then will I get like motivation to make videos. So please. Also, this is how my hand is looking. I got 2 injections today, here and here. 3 more injections I have to take. Still, it's not my dog's problem. Mistake.